To end stray animal suffering in India, we want to do it through 4 steps, and these 4 steps is what makes us unique. The first step is to rescue always. We go to the site where the stray animal is injured and we rescue it right then and there. We respond fastest. We go there so that the first aid can be given right at the spot and there is no bigger medical bills that are being formed. The third part of our strategy is to reduce population. We conduct radially outward protruding sterilization drives, impactful sterilization drive. We sterilize entire population of the stray animals in a certain area and then we move on to another area so that the stray animal population does not rise. The fourth part of our strategy is to rehabilitate them with comfort. Whoever stray animal is causing discomfort to the human society, to humans in the streets, we take them out and we put them in our shelter. We are building a bigger shelter on 7,000 square feet in Melasandra Gate, which is built on completely environmentally sustainable methods. We are building it through eco bricks. These are waste plastic bottles which are filled with sand and mud, and these are being used as walls, and we are building using stones as foundation. This is a one of a kind shelter in the entire India.
Doing an adoption camp in 2 places this month. That is in Jiva Pet Hospital in JP Nagar, and the other one is in Cessna Lifeline in Domlur. So we are expecting around 150 adoptions to take place. 150 adopters have registered, and also we have around 76 rescuers who have registered with their stray pups to be adopted. So we have a strict adoption process which is to be followed in this. That is, we will have the background verification done, we will have the entire home verification done, and we'll take their entire proofs, everything, and the adoption process will be followed. So the objective is to make sure we will not buy any more breed pups, and to promote Indian pups, and to help the Indian pups which are suffering in the roads to have a good and a forever home for them. That is the objective of this entire adoption camp. We have a helpline number 9632506504. They call us up. There are two ways, two requests which come mostly. One is about the rescue which is in danger, typically an accident case or anything like that. The second option would be people who have pups which want to be adopted. So to facilitate the first, we are having rescue operations with a team of some 7 people who go and rescue, and we are coming up with a shelter, as our co-trustee Mr. Kush Gupta said. And the second case, which is the adoption, we have a lot of pups and a lot of rescuers who have these pups which ought to be adopted, which we screen properly with the rescuer side as well as adopter side, and then we put them up for adoption.